Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Cerence AI is a fast-growing tech company that delivers voice AI solutions to big companies across industries. In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know about the company. Here is the video format. First, I will explain what Cerence do, when it was established, and other basic information so you will have a good understanding of the company. Then I will talk about the products they are selling, who they sell the products to, and what are the different use cases for their products. Finally, I will talk about their financial results and what analysts expect for the stock price. As always, everything I say is not a financial advice, so please make sure you do your own research. So let's start by introducing the company. Cerence AI is an American technology company that develops artificial intelligence software for vehicles. Its main focus is creating voice assistants that drivers can use to control navigation, music, and other car functions, and all of that without taking their hands off the wheel. But it doesn't end there. They are expanding to additional fields, and I'll talk about it further in this video. Cerence established contracts and partnerships with major automakers like BMW, Ford, and Toyota. In fact, by 2021, its software was already used in over 400 million vehicles worldwide. As of today, Cerence provide voice and AI-based features to both luxury and mainstream car brands, and they also expand into areas like facial recognition, emotion detection, and gesture control. One of its more recent developments is a large language model called CoL-LM, which is built for in-car use. It's designed to bring generative AI like ChatGPT into vehicles and is being developed in partnership with companies like Nvidia and Microsoft. The company went public in October 2019 and it trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol CR. Now that we have some background about the company, let's talk about their products and how they are being used. Cerence's best-selling product is called Cerence Drive. That's basically a voice assistant platform that's used by many of the world's top automakers. This product is already being used by hundreds of millions of cars worldwide. It allows drivers to control things like navigation and music by using their natural voice commands, and is designed to work both online and offline. Automakers favor this one mainly because it supports multiple language and that makes it suit for every single country in the world. In addition to their software Cerence Drive, they also seeing growing demand for more products like Cerence Assistant and their CoL-LM. These products use conversational artificial intelligence to offer more human-like interactions. Instead of just answering commands, the assistant can hold a back and forth conversation with the driver and even help plan road trips or suggest restaurants. These newer tools are already being adopted by auto companies worldwide. Cerence is also working closely with tech giants like Nvidia and Microsoft to develop and integrate these AI tools into the next generation vehicle systems. Cerence doesn't sell its products directly to consumers, instead they license their software to car manufacturers. Amongst their clients include BMW, Ford, Toyota, and Volkswagen. When it comes to pricing, Cerence use a licensing model. Automakers usually pay a fee per vehicle. This fee can range from $8 to $25 per vehicle. Now that we have an understanding about their products, let's talk about some recent important developments. So I found one important development that happened in the past 3 months, and this one talks about the expansion of Cerence beyond the automotive sector. They're entering into a partnership with a company called Code Factory. Cerence has launched a new voice assistant platform aimed to help retail sector, healthcare, and banking, and this move marks the beginning of a strategy to diversify their client base out of the auto sectors to different sectors. Now, when it comes to their financials, in the second quarter of 2025, Cerence reported revenue of $78 million. That's a 15% increase compared to the same period last year, and it came above their own guidance. Most of that growth come from licensing, which is their most profitable revenue stream. Licensing revenue rose about 45% year over year, reaching over $51 million. This growth pushed the company's gross margin to about 77%, which considered to be healthy in every measure. From a profitability standpoint, Cerence delivers solid results. Net income changed from a loss of $278 million last year to a profit of nearly $22 million in this quarter. And most importantly, Cerence generated $13 million in free cash flow in the second quarter. This marks the fourth quarter in a row with positive cash generation, which is a good sign of financial stability. Their financial position is considered to be stable. They ended the last quarter with about $123 million in cash, which is up more than $12 million from the last quarter. While management expects a weaker third quarter, with revenue falling to the mid $50 million, their full year guidance remains unchanged. So now that we've done talking about their financials, let's see what analysts say. Most analysts view Cerence stock as fairly valued or slightly undervalued compared to similar companies in automotive software and AI. The average 12-month price target is approximately $11.40, suggesting a modest upside from the current price of $10. However, price targets vary widely, with the highest estimate at $16.80 and the lowest at $6. So that's what analysts think, but always remember, analysts can be wrong, and that's why it's important to do your own research. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.